All right, we're going to try we got a carpet, we got a vacuum real quick. We're going to use the Bissell Powerforce Bagged. And this is a really, really old, worn out carpet, and they only vacuum once a month, so.
Here we go. Hang on, I'm gonna move the cord. I'm gonna move the cord. It's a short cord, so then we'll get that bed here. Now this thing is not making deep, impressive vacuum lines, but there's no natural.
The carpet's completely worn out. This carpet's like 14 years old, and they didn't replace it when these people moved in because they had a pet. So
it's seen its better days about 10 years ago.
Yeah.
It's still vacuuming it real good. It's just not making big lines. It's all the stuff people like to do. It's all right.
Yeah, I'll let you just suck that right in. That's
Wrong switch.
good. If you want, hold it up. We'll get it out here in the light. Hold it up and let's see what the brush roll looks like.
Hold on here a second.
Because this place is usually full of long hair.
Yeah, this place might be kind of trashed out a bit. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, there's some hair in there.
Not too bad, but there's some. We'll definitely have to take it apart and clean it up.
Yeah, and the bag's coming out, and we're going to seal it in something because they have fleas and probably bed bugs.
When
and
you clean
everything up there.
carpets and you have a bag vacuum, what you need to do is, when you get done cleaning for somebody,
Don't take the bag in your house
take the bag
unless it's in a
out,
sealed
take the bag
container.
out and put it in a sealed container, put it in someplace where it's out of the way, and then put it back in when you go out to do work again. But don't take the bag in your own home. If you store your equipment in your house, you don't want that bag in your house.
All right, we're going to clean the carpet now. That's basically what we're here to do. So the vacuuming video is finished, and I hope you enjoyed it.
This all happened last minute. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah, on a Saturday
And
night.
they kind of rushed us, so we're doing it for them.
So where did you have the height at on that? About.
Right there. I've never needed to put it on there for any carpet.
That's on the one off the top of the high
Yeah.
carpet set.
If you put it there, it'll do every carpet, but I've never seen a need to turn it down lower.
All right. Well, that's it for the Bissell Powerforce bag for now. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.